Hi guys, today we are going to continue in a series about troubleshooting in generators. And the question today is, my generator is running good with a medium load and stops suddenly. And the code in the display is UF or LF, low frequency. My friends, this is a problem on the engine. This is not an electrical problem. Don't try to fight that situation, that issue in the back end of the generator. This is a mechanical issue. Normally, this is a problem with the fuel contaminated, fuel filters clogged. You need to clean the filters, repair the fuel system, verify the fuel system. I recommend, when I have that situation, I visit the boat with my portable fuel tank and I connect my portable fuel tank directly to the fuel injection pump and I start the generator. And I demonstrate to the customer that the generator running with my fuel is perfect. No stop. When I put it back, the fuel system of the boat, immediately the engine shut down. This is a mechanical problem, normally problem on the fuel, or in some cases, it's a problem on the air filter clogged, or problem with the sun shield. In some generators, some marine generators, the sun shield is damaged, is broken, and clogged the cavity where the container of the air filter, where the air filter is located. Okay, two possibilities is air, income air, and fuel for low frequency. In some cases, if everything is okay, the fuel is okay, the air is okay, you need verify in the output breaker of the back end. You need to connect your multimeter in the function volts AC in the output of the breaker and verify how much is the frequency in the output of the generator when the generator is running. If the difference in frequency is less than 5%, for example, this is an American generator, it's supposed that the frequency should be 60 Hz. If the output frequency is 57, 58, this is less than 10%. Okay, this is a small adjustment. This is a fine adjustment. Always try to do the adjustment at the beginning with the bulb, the idle bulb in the carburetor or in the governor, the mechanical governor or the electronic governor. Try to adjust that frequency with the generator running with no load. You adjust the frequency in that bulb and you verify if the frequency goes up, 59, 60. I recommend let in 61. When the frequency is in 61 with the generator running, you start to apply loads in the breaker. If the frequency stay around 60 with full load, this is an indication that the frequency is stable. And you run the engine for more than 30 minutes and you verify that the frequency stays stable. This is the fine adjustment. In some cases, you need to go into the display, the main display of the generator, and you go in settings to advanced adjustment, and you do the fine adjustment. The fine adjustment, normally the symptom is when you have the lights blinking. This is an indication that the frequency is not stable and the adjustment is just a little fine adjustment. Normally you can do that in the main display. And also when you do fine adjustment, I recommend you use the analog multimeter. With the analog multimeter in volts AC connected in the output of the breaker, you can see the needle moving. When you adjust the bulb, the throttle, the idle bulb in the governor, you see that the needle reduce the movement and suddenly stay fixed. This is an indication that the frequency right now is stable. If you want to learn more about this, visit my website www.mrlopezclasses.com and the book of generators. I have a lot of videos related with troubleshooting. Thank you for following me. If you are interested in exclusive material, please join me in my YouTube channel. I am creating exclusive material every day in Instagram, in TikTok, in YouTube. This is material exclusive for you if you are interested. Please follow me in those channels, and you will find a lot of exclusive additional material. And check my website www.mrlopezclasses.com for more books, for more videos, for more courses, for podcasts. A lot of information especially for you.